Hey YouTube, this is your girl Charmin with the Trade Masters. I wanted to come and talk to you guys because I've been doing something in my classroom. For those of you all that don't know, I teach high school. I teach high school freshmen and I teach world history as well as the theater arts. But that's not what I want to talk to you guys about. I've been doing something in my room and I have been getting some phenomenal results. And I wanted to share just honestly, my classroom has turned into the land of Forex. Just feast your eyes on some of the things that you guys are going to see. And if you see a guitar hanging, just know that's the theater arts part. But take a look at this. This is what my kids are learning. And I'm so proud of them. Take a look at this real quick.
Okay, now you're gonna mark your friends. So, about the impulse, you want impulse. So down.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you said there should be an impulse up here. Pop that down. Now, what would be the down
You mark it
trend?
all the way down there.
All the way down? Right here? Okay, so
Please go by, because today is not going to be
down trend.
Yes, okay. So you,
Wait, so how is this right here would be the impulse and the down trend?
no, this trend is a down trend.
Oh, so this thing overall, so do I mark this ankle, right? Okay.
Good job.
Okay,
So now what does step 2 or step 3 ask you to do?
identify the trend.
So step 3 says tell who's controlling the market.
See, that's gonna give me because I don't know that one.
So who pushes the market down? Buyers or sellers or buyers?
The sellers?
Then that's who's controlling the market.
Okay.
Is this about Forex, sir?
Nope.
It is not.
I just need help.
Okay. What do you need help with, baby?
The flags.
Okay.
Okay, so here's one right here.
That is a flag. Yes, ma'am.
There's one right here.
Use your MACD to help you where your flag is. Every time there is a retest, there you go. That's your flag.
Can you see that line?
I can. Yes, sir. Can I see your notes, sir? All right. I like that first rule. Always protect the money.
I said what your lower high two is your second entry. I mean your entrance.
Okay. What are you explaining?
I've been explaining to y'all.
Everything.
I'm trying to get him to where
She
to
said
know
you
where his
enter
lower
right
high.
here, baby. You enter the second time right here.
Your first entry is your lower high one. Your second entry is your lower high two. You basically want to be making money at your lower high. No. At your, yes, no. Wait a minute. Hold on, run it back.
Exactly. She don't need
This, yeah, I think it's your lower high two. Lower high one.
Okay. Where are your values? Your impulse is the value of what?
0.
Okay. So are you trading the impulse? Is the value of what?
0.
Do you want something that's the value of 0?
No.
Okay. So then where should your first entry be?
It's your lower high one.
There you go. Good job. Are we good, ladies? I'm very proud of you guys.